In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow. If you're looking to integrate your email marketing efforts with your website seamlessly, you're in the right place. Connecting Klaviyo to Webflow allows you to easily capture subscribers directly on your website and funnel them into your email marketing campaigns. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First, head over to Klaviyo and navigate to the sign-up forms. This is where you'll start creating a new form that will eventually be embedded into your Webflow site. Once you're there, click on Create Form. When you see the options for your form type, be sure to choose Embed. This selection is crucial because it will allow you to place the form directly onto your website's pages. Next, connect this form to your desired subscriber list. This is important because it determines where the collected email addresses will be stored and how they will be used in your email marketing campaigns. Take a moment here to design your form. Klaviyo offers various customization options to ensure your form aligns with your brand's look and feel. Remember, a well-designed form can significantly impact your conversion rates, so take the time to get it just right. Once you're satisfied with your form design, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Publish. After publishing, Klaviyo will provide you with a small code block. This code will look something like a div element with a class name such as is less than div class equals Klaviyo form xxxxxx is greater than is less than div is greater than. This string of code is what you will embed into your Webflow site, so make sure to copy it. Keep it handy as we move on to the next steps. Now, it's time to switch over to Webflow. Open your Webflow designer interface. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be placing your Klaviyo form. In the Webflow designer, press the A key on your keyboard. This shortcut will open the Add panel, which allows you to add various elements to your website's design. From this panel, look for the Embed element. Once you find it, click and drag it onto your canvas. Be sure to position it exactly where you want your form to appear on your Webflow site. This is your chance to ensure the form is placed in a spot that's both functional and visually appealing to your site visitors. Now that the embed element is in place, it's time to paste your Klaviyo code. Click on the embed element you just added to open the code editor. In the code editor, you'll see a blank space where you can input custom code. Paste your Klaviyo is less than div is greater than string here. After pasting, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that your form will be live and functional on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo to Webflow. Your site visitors can now subscribe directly through your embedded form, and you can effortlessly manage and engage with your new subscribers through Klaviyo. Integrating these two platforms not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to build and maintain meaningful connections with your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your website's functionality. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.